Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Tina. In this video, I'm going to cover stateful versus stateless components. This is a way how we categorize components inside the React. Based on the technique we are using, we can categorize either our components is stateful or either it's stateless. Now let's take a look at about stateful component first. Okay, stateful components are those that manage their own state. In a very simple words, take a look at our component. If you have useState, generally, we talk about you are a stateful component. Probably when we also use useReducer, we can also say we are stateful component because we maintain our own state. Okay, they can update their state and trigger re-render based on that state. Here is very simple one we have seen so far. It's like a counter. Okay, when we use a set count counter, use state, and this is called a stateful component. Let's write again. Okay, so here we are going to have a counter. See here you already have a counter. Oh my goodness, let me delete. Okay, so here it's already have counter, but I'm going to write another counter component. Okay, counter.tsx. Okay, I'm going to do just rfc. Okay, and here it's going to have a counter, and we're going to maintain our own state. How to maintain our own state? Use state. Here have a count, set count. Okay, and equals useState, and give default value is 0, and which will make our count is a number type. Okay, because the TypeScript gonna do type inference based on our initial value. And here I'm going to have a like a h1 counter display count. Okay, and then I'm going to have a button. This button going to +1. Okay, +1 use on click. In this time, I'm going to directly write our code here. You can use set count. Let's give you another one. Be familiar with here. You can also pass what? Here you can also pass a function. Okay, which is useful in asynchronous code. Okay. And then I'm going to remove this counter from our app. Here I'm going to add what? Add a counter. Okay, now let's take a look at it here. Okay, +1, see here. And in this case, we are going to call our counter is what? Is a stateful component. Why? Because we maintain our own state in the counter component, and also we use set count to change the state, which will cause the re-rendering. This is called state. Pretty simple, right? Just if you maintain your own state in your component, that's stateful. Now let's take a look at our stateless. Stateless component, also known as functional component, this is compared with our class component was popular. Okay, but nowadays we all use functional component plus hooks. Okay, do not manage or hold any II. Probably I will do. Yes, cross this one. I will make a change. Okay. State components do not maintain or hold any local state. They receive data from props and render UI based on the data. So first, no local state. Don't see any use state. Okay, don't use this state. This one is a class component. This one is use state in the function. It's a pure function. They take props as input and return JSX as output. This one means what? Whenever you give me the same props, okay, I will always return the same JSX as output. Same input, same output. Generally, it's lighter and faster, so because they don't maintain the state, and they are often more usable because they are simpler and do not rely on the initial state. So we will give a very simple demo. Suppose let's try to use a gallery. Okay, it's better. Gallery.tsx. Okay, and RFC gallery. And for these props, I expect it's going to return a collection of array. Okay, you can do like this way. You can directly give types here, or you can give types you can define a types. Okay, so here I'm going to have a const props type equals what? I will have URLs. URL is going to have what? It's a string of array. Okay, string of array. Array of string. Yeah, no error. Props. Okay, props type. Oh, not a const, my bad. Type. I was thinking why. Oh, this one is a type. You can also use in string array. Okay, no problem. Okay, and props, you can also destruction directly from here instead of a destruction later in the code. So what's going to happen for this one? When I got this gallery array, okay, you can also, let's give a title. Okay, title. Title is a string. Okay, then I'm going to do is here in the div, I'm going to have let's make it large, s2, which is a title, title, and I forgot to add the title destruction assignment from here, title. And then for this ul, okay, then here we will have what? We will have a map, urls.map each URL, okay, equals to what? Equals to an anchor link. Okay, anchor link, and inside anchor link I have ul. Li. Okay, like this way. And here I'm going to first, don't forget about the key URL. Okay, let's use index is not a good one. Okay, I'm going to use index here because the key for UI is too long. I'm going to use index, and we're going to talk about virtual DOM diffing later. Why index here is not a good one, but because I don't have ID, so then here I have href going to use URL. Okay, and here, oh, URL, let's make it to be oh no, I just use the image, guys. I don't have a link, just have image. What I'm doing. Okay, image, I'm going to have src going to be the URL. Okay, and let me add a key. I'm going to use index, okay, like this one. Okay, so what I expect, if you give me different title and give me different URLs, I will display my component differently. Okay, so how to use it? Inside my counter, I will call gallery twice. Okay, and then we have to give URLs. Okay, so here we have to give URLs, and it's going to be an array of objects contain strings. So I'm going to give several strings. Just give 3. Okay, and then here we also miss another one. What's the another one is missing? The other one is a title. Title. This one is let's call cats. Okay, then we can have another one. Let's go with how about the dogs? Okay, dogs. And then I'm going to have what? I'm going to copy some URL from, let's Google search, okay, cats. And let's search some images. Then this one, this one, okay, copy image URL, copy link address. Let's see if I can see the cats, okay. Copy image address, okay. Okay, I see one, okay, very large. I'm going to go back to my code, put it here, okay. And then we can have a width and height here, okay. Let's have a width and height. Width 40. Let's do 50, and have a height 50. Okay. Then otherwise too large. Then let's copy another two. This one, okay, look like me. I feel tired now. And okay, then we have another one. We put it here. And let's see another one. This one is so cute. Let's give this one copy image address, and we have one more. Okay. Okay, and then we do another for dogs. Okay, dogs. Okay, yeah, this one is cute. Okay, copy image address. And the next one, this three. Copy image address. And I'm not sure if this one can do it or not. Okay, then let's. This one is cute. This one is also. Oh, this one is also cute. Oh my goodness, they're so adorable. Okay, we're done. Okay, now let's render our page. Okay, guys, you can see here, when we give different title, you will see the gallery displaying differently. When we just give different image set array, it will display image differently, right? Let me make it change a little bit, like 100. It's too small. 100. Okay, see here. It's a little bit larger. Okay, I don't care about the style. Okay, so this is called the stateful components. They render based on the props they are being given. Okay, you give me some props, I will give you the same output of the JSX. And usually those components, those state components are reusable building blocks, which we are put in different pages. You probably here display cats, and now display the people, something else. Okay, so this is stateful. Okay, see here in our gallery, we didn't maintain any state. We didn't have a useState. We didn't have a state. We just based on the props. Okay, let's summary. Go back to our slides. So how to choose between stateful and stateless? Start with stateless. Prefer stateless components when possible. They are easier to test and reason about. How do you test about stateless? We just give different props, right? And they are promote separation of concerns, making your code more modular. Use stateful where needed. Implement stateful components when you need to handle user interactions or manage complex state logic or side effects. Hopefully, after this video, you understand about stateful and stateless components. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.